We don't need anybody from the north to advise us what to do or to tell us where to go.
Okay, a certain cleric in the north, from Borno State to be precise, has come and said that it's time for the Igbos and the Biafrans to protect themselves against terrorist attack, kidnapping, and you see that terrorists come to people's house, rape their wife, even kill them. That's even though if it's to manufacture gun or to buy gun and to start protecting themselves, that they should start to do so. Do you think it's actually right what he's saying? Do you support that?
You see, the North should understand that they don't need to tell the Biafrans what to do at this particular time when it comes to security or how to protect themselves, even politically on where to belong. And we have come to take it upon ourselves that we cannot reject ourselves because people have rejected us. We can do our things on our own way and achieve our own thing our own way. We don't need anybody from the north to advise us what to do or to tell us where to go. And thank God that that sensitization has already been understood by the Igbo political class, the Igbo scholars, the Igbo intellectuals, and of course the entire Biafran citizens. They understand that they don't need Nigeria to survive. You understand? If Nigeria feel that they need them, that's okay by them. So we should not be borrowing any form of idea from the north, whether it's in good nature or in bad nature. We simply don't need it, because every time we have tried to accommodate ourselves, at the end of the day, we have been pushed to the other direction. We have been pushed to the wall. We have been seen as people who are not qualified to be part of the system they fought for. Who brought independence to Nigeria? At the end of the day, those who fought for independence in Nigeria are being ganged up against. So the North should not stand up and advise Igbos what to do at any particular time. It is not their business. It's none of their business. We're not fucking interested in that. That's just the truth. See, we must tell ourselves, see, if there's going to be a national consciousness in that regard, then we need to understand that we need to throw away the name called Nigeria first. Revisit people-oriented constitution, then demarcate all the rope that connect us with Britain, cut it into pieces.
Is that possible?
Why is it that anybody that want to become president of Nigeria need to go to Chatham House first before you become president of Nigeria? What is it that they go to Chatham House to go and sign? Do you see other countries when they want to become president, they go to Chatham House in London? I'm asking you now, find out, go and do your findings. Can you see that in Ghana? Can you see that in other places? Why is it before you become president in Nigeria, you need to go to Chatham House? What is it in that Chatham House? No, it's high time the black man stand up and begin to question some certain values that were being given to us by the British government. The black man has what it takes to develop itself. Before the colonial masters came, we were doing our own things our own way. We are wearing clothes. We are eating food. We are buying herbs. We are into inventory. The black man should not be seen as somebody who does not know left and the right without the white man. So for people who physically does not put any form of resistance, even when the British government came to Nigeria, should not be seen advising people who stood against the colonial rule for over 40 years. The Igbos fought the British government for more than 40 years. In the north, there was nothing like fight. They walked in ceremoniously and walked out. In the west here, they wrote to the British government to come and colonize them. None of them has fought a modern warfare. So the North should not be seen. We are not going to entertain any form of that. You understand? Any condition, we find ourselves, we will survive it. We went through the war, went through the ashes of the war. After how many years, our money was confiscated in the bank. The Nigerian government gave every Igbo man, no matter how rich you are, 20 pounds. But today, the story has changed. The humble looking of a lion does not mean that the lion is weak. It's a fact. It's a reality that we have come to be. That they have successfully. See, the Britain is going to bear the consequences if they refuse to make the document they signed with the Northerners public. Nigeria should hold Gowon responsible. Nigeria should also hold Danjuma, Theophilus Danjuma, responsible for the death of misgovernance in Nigeria, for insecurity in Nigeria, for anything that made Nigeria not to move forward. These people should be held responsible.
And they are still alive.
And they should not be seen in any way threatening the Igbos in any form.
So, but recently, 27 people died in the Enugu state. But in Southeastern, they've come and said that what's Peter Mbah doing? And secondly, they said the Nigerian police said they were people that died were criminals, that they killed were criminals. But ekpa has come out to debunk that and said that if they were criminals, why were they not shooting back at the police? That it was innocent people they killed, not criminals.
No, yes, of course. Now there's not nothing like criminality. That what you see, insecurity you see in the entire Biafran land was orchestrated by the federal government to create uncertainty in that region. To make sure that that place become unpeaceful for people who want to go there to invest in their money and all that. You can see a lot of Igbo businessmen running away from Igbo land as a result of insecurity created by the government, not by anybody. The insecurity you're seeing there was intentionally created by the government themselves, and one of the factors is the continuous incarceration of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention and the continuous threatening to Simon Ekpa over arrest. Those are the things that can anger generations. Let me tell you, Igbos are angry and their anger is reserved until the time comes. So we must understand that the reality of the matter is that as it stands now, we are looking at directions that can give us the reality of what we are and who we represent, not Nigeria. We do not belong in Nigeria, and Nigeria does not belong to us. Nigeria, the name Nigeria is not even associated with us. So whatever the government is doing in that regard, whatever antecedents the likes of Simon Ekpa is putting in place, whatever thing the Hanese is doing, whatever everybody is contributing, to make it look achievable. Well, for me, the utmost thing on every part of the world is peace. Peace is important. Peace attracts a lot of things. Peace attracts investment. Peace attracts love. Peace attracts growth. In an atmosphere of peace, there will be no investment. There will be no growth. There will not be innovation. So it's quite intentional, we know, and we know the reason why the entire eastern region is facing security challenges. Those security challenges are not state actors who find themselves in that position trying to play the master's script at the end of the day.
The same thing is applicable to all the Kanuris in the Borno state, all the Nupes in the Borno state and the Niger state. Everybody should prepare themselves and get their guns and knives and machetes down to protect themselves from banditry. Bandits are attacking people in their families. I saw a little baby today. They grabbed the baby from one family like that, bandit, put the baby on the Okada. They have to call phone. They have to call phone and negotiate price with the parents. A reverend father came out on the social media narrating and expressing himself the danger of banditry in Nigeria. And that these bandits, they are Fulani. They don't look even like Nigerian Fulani. They are all Fulani from outside. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. What I'm trying to say is that the insecurity has come out of, it has gotten out of hand. It has gotten out of hand, and it is becoming, unbecoming. Okay. The Nigerian leaders, the people in the authority, they don't care because their families are well protected. But Nigerian citizens, their families are not well protected. That's why Tinubu turned his back on this insecurity of 18th. Security advisor nobody can ever break into his family because his family is well fortified with armed security officials. That Nigerian citizens are the ones that are at the receiving end. Look at the way Fulani from Mali, from Sahel countries have invaded Nigeria, and Nigerian government is not doing anything about it. Is it not better for Nigeria to declare war against the Sahel countries from where these Fulanis are coming from? They left desert. They found out that it's only in Nigeria, in northern Nigeria, you can go and operate, freely. That's why they are coming, even spreading their dragnet into southern Nigeria. Look at bandits everywhere. A little baby was crying. They carry a little baby, threatening the family on phone that they will cut his head. A reverend father came out and is giving his own narration on social media. Why we should protect ourselves. Is it not better for Igbo man to protect himself? Is it not better for Yoruba man to protect himself? The Hausa man and so on and so forth. The Fulanis are killing, they are bandits, they are headers. They don't kill only Christians, they kill Hausa Muslims. Provided you are a Muslim, you don't speak Fulani, they will kill you. Bandits will rob you, kill you, kidnap you, kill you. In the north, southern and northern Kaduna are subjected to this incessant attack of Fulani headers and the Fulani bandits. Yes, they are killing everybody that speak Hausa. Provided you don't hear Fulani, you don't speak Fulani, you are gone. Be you Muslim or Christian. Why is it like that? Nigerian government is turning deaf ear. They are not doing anything. Economically, we are down. Everybody is hungry. Nobody is secure. Fulani headers are killing. Terrorists are killing. Bandits are killing. Kidnapping and demanding for money as ransom. So what is going on in Nigeria? Nigeria is a desert. Nigeria has now become a hellfire for its citizens.
You made mention of the Fulani even killing the Hausas.
I'm telling you, that is the worst thing ever happened in the recent time. That the Fulani and the Hausa we know that are the same since 1804, they are now becoming opposites. They are two grievous opponents presently. You see Fulani killing Hausa man that is speaking Arabic to him, that is not Fulani, they will kill you. So they are not even coming to grab land again. They are now trying to Islamize everywhere, turn everywhere to Fulani land. And Nigerian government is not doing anything. If this kind of thing continues for the next 10 years, tell me how many Nigerians that will remain in the north. This time around, the Igbo man that is trading in the north, they should make sure that they go and sign gun. Soldiers cannot protest, police cannot protest. The government of Nigeria cannot protest us. So it's better everybody should get his own gun. And anybody that comes to you for a fight or for a gun duel, you slug it out with the person.
Slug it out. And we've seen 27 people being killed in Enugu State. You know,
by Fulani.
Yes. But the Nigerian police have said that they were criminals. But ekpa has come out to debunk that and said that if they were criminals, why didn't they fire back at the police when they were killing them? That these people that they killed were innocent Biafrans and they are not criminals.
They are not criminals. That is elimination of the Igbo youth that started recently by federal government of Nigeria. They sent secret police that were going on mufti, and if they ask you a question, if you say you are a Biafran, they will kill you. That's a secret elimination and the annihilation of the Igbos that is on course secretly by mobilized secret policemen by federal government of Nigeria. It has gone viral on social media. They are killing Igbo youth currently. They're everywhere in Anambra, Imo State. Once they say Biafra, you reply in affirmative. They will arrest you and go to their barracks in Niger State and kill you. Many Igbo youths were recently abducted in the southeastern Nigeria for organ harvest by Nigerian military. They ferried them, they took them to their barracks in Niger State, where they killed them and harvest their organ for money. It is going on in Igbo land. Every Igbo man knows that. Nobody can ever tell me what is not. It is going on, secret killing, harvesting of Igbo youth organ in the southeastern Nigeria. These 27 people killed in Enugu are not criminals. They are not. There's no evidence enough to substantiate they are criminals. No substantial evidence.
When they say criminal and in Biafra land, so that people will clap onto them, you are trying. Why not in the west? Criminal. Why not in the north? Where Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen, kidnappers, bandits, Ashwab, all them are operating. Why not over there in Biafra land? So they will say you are doing your work. You are checkmating. I'm telling you, the problem and the insecurity in Biafra land are caused by Nigerian security agents. Now, Nigerian security agents can come out and claim whatever they want to claim. Though they say they killed criminals, on what action do they kill them? On what action? Do you see them with any weapon, gun, cutlass, or any other type of instrument of destruction? Do you call them red-handed where they are stealing or where they are kidnapping? Do you call them where they are raping or vandalizing any property? Where do you make them and kill them? That's number one question. And who are these people that are criminals? Are they innocent citizens, passerby, or the people you went to their residence and killed them? Where did you kill them? You see, Nigerian armed forces or policemen, army, are fond of when they have strong opposition or encounter strong opposition, when they were defeated or humiliated, when they are not able to achieve what they're supposed to achieve as security agent, they will went and look for innocent people and kill them. They wouldn't mind kill them and take one piece to put in their hand and say they are criminals. This is the gun we found on them. Or go and sew one cloth called the time to be Biafran flag and cover them and say they are IPOBs. Completely lie. Do investigation. If care is not taken, you will see that those people killed are innocent people. Like Akpo killing in Abuja during Obasanjo regime. At the initiative, they were here that they were cat snatchers. But at the initiative, it became to be that there are people that went to nightclub because one Fulani force head want to took their girlfriend away. One of the girls that prayed them, that girl said no. Resist. Say this is my boyfriend and these are my people. Because of him, they went and stopped them on the road as they were living in the night and killed them. This is how normally it happen in Biafra. This is how normally it happen in Nigeria. When they say criminal and in Biafra land, so that people will clap onto them, you are trying. Why not in the West? Criminal. Why not in the North? Where Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen, kidnappers, bandits, Ashwab, all them are operating. Why not over there in Biafra land? So they will say you are doing your work. You are checkmating. I'm telling you, the problem and the insecurity in Biafra land are caused by Nigerian security agents. That place has become a testing ground. When they were trained finish, they go to that place to go and learn how to use trigger like a jitter, waving their hand, using their hand on the jitter, on the trigger of gun, like when they're using their hand on the wires of jitter. When instrumental musicians are swinging their hand in the wire of a jitter. This is how they do it. Oh, foul! All those they say is lie. Let them come and prove it. Let them come and show the area. Prove where they are criminals. Okay, criminals, different criminals, or Nigerian criminals. Are they different criminals or are they Nigerian criminals? Why is it so? Eh? Look, to me, I have said it. I hate shedding of blood. If they are criminals, why can't them arrest them and do what? Go through process, law process, investigate them. Okay, you shoot criminals. On a shootout, they have gun, you have gun. You people are shooting yourself, each other, and you kill 27, and none of you got injury. None of the police people got injury, or army people got injury. So you are able to kill all 27 criminals, and none of your men got injury. And your car or your distance, no blade to touch it. You kill criminals. Do you think that it's easy to kill criminals and go free without them replying you? Eh?
So ekpa is right now.
Ekpa is right.
So ekpa is right.
Ekpa is right. They went and killed individuals, innocent people, passerbys who are ignorant, don't know what is going on. It seems like as we are here now talking, police will come and shoot. Eh? Do you know that the time IPOB one family operating, they will go in the village, different village, see people that sit down holding family meeting, they will shoot them. Hey, sorry. They will shoot them and say that they are IPOBs. When it's ordinary people, family, holding their family meeting. They take them IPOB and shoot all of them. Eh? This is unacceptable before God and man. It's a sin before God. Shedding people's blood.
So innocent
because
people just
God will say, thou shalt not kill. Okay, what law did you people break that made you to kill them? What law did they break? What Nigerian law did they break that made you to kill them and say you have killed 27 criminals? Okay, clap for them. They have killed 27 criminals. They tried the way. May God have mercy upon them in Jesus' name.